Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert, and in this video, we're going to show you how to clean the upholstery on a chair using a Bissell carpet cleaning machine. The Bissell carpet cleaning machine is really easy to use, but we're going to give you a quick little primer in the whole thing. This is the dirty water tank. So as you're using the carpet machine, and I'll demonstrate how to use it, the dirty water is going to go in here and then you're going to dump that out. At the bottom, this is the clean water tank where you're going to add the clean hot tap water and solution to actually do the cleaning of the carpeting. This cap comes off, and what's unique about this unit is you can take it over to the sink and you can put it underneath the faucet to fill it up and then put it back in there. And there's a measuring cup right here that you can put the solution, the cleaning solution, into, and then you just carefully pour it into the tank, seal it back up, and then go ahead and put that reservoir tank on the top of it, lock it in place. Now I'm going to show you how to use it. This is the cleaning tool attachment for the Bissell rug cleaning machine. You're going to use this tool for either cleaning upholstery or using it on stairs to clean those as well, and also other hard to reach areas. It's really quite simple to connect. See, there's two parts of it on this. This is the suction hose right here that's going to clip into the top of the dirty well tank, and you're going to basically just rotate this in. You kind of turn it and you'll feel it click in place like that. And then this is for the solution. It goes right into this port right here. Same thing, you kind of line that up until you feel it click into place. And now you're ready to go to use this tool, and you'll turn the machine on when we're ready to do that cleaning. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on and start cleaning it. The switch, remember, is on the back of this. With the cleaning tool attached to the Bissell carpet cleaning machine, you'll be able to clean upholstery like this. Now, it's a good idea to test an area, depending on what the fabric is, to make sure that you're not harming it. This attachment has a pretty stiff brush on it. This is where the suction will occur, and then this trigger will apply the solution. And basically, when you turn the machine on, you're going to pull the trigger, and then you're going to draw this back where the brush is going to kind of stand up the material a little bit, and the suction is going to suck up what you just applied. Now keep in mind, depending on the fabric, you may see water and the solution dripping over. I'm over some carpeting here right now. You may want to put a drop cloth down, and if there's too much water, then just lay off the trigger a little bit and use the suction to suction it up. Once I get done doing this lower pad, I'm going to come back over it with the wand just to suck up any excessive moisture, because the whole idea is we want this to dry so we can get back to using it when you're done. You can speed that process up by putting a fan on it, but probably will have to sit at least overnight. If you repeat this with all the different upholstery and chairs that you have, you'll get them nice and clean. Coming up next, my video on how to clean a couch, you may call it a sofa, using a Bissell carpet cleaning machine.